friends. So, my name is Ahmad Saluddin and I will begin the presentation for Group 1. Our project is called the Portable Smart Shoes Dryer. This product is designed to solve the common problem of wet, smelly and unhygiene of shoes, especially for students, athletes and apartment people. So for the abstracts, we developed a portable shoes dryer that use Arduino Nano as a main controller, and we also add on the DHT11 sensors for ensure the shoes dries safety and effective. So we also include the what we call OLED display. It's incorporated to present real-time system information, while charging port support portability and easy to use. In addition, UV sterilization light module is included to assist the reducing microbacterial growth and eliminating odor. So this project aims to provide a reliable, efficient and user-friendly solution for maintaining dry, clean and comfortable footwear. So next, for the objective, first we have three main objectives. First, to enhance shoes hygiene by integrating UV sterilization to reduce bacteria. Second, to improve system accuracy and safety by using DHT11 sensor to monitor real-time temperature and humidity levels. And the last one, to provide a user-friendly interface through an OLED display. So that concludes my part. Now I will pass to the next presenter, Adam.
Okay, today I would like to show you about the timeline. So our project follow a clear timeline from the discussion, sketch, fieldwork, improvement and final presentation. For feasibility study, ni maksudnya kebolehsanaan, kajian kebolehsanaan. Macam projek ni bukan setakat dirancang saja, tapi sebenarnya boleh dibuat dan dipasarkan. Jadi secara teknikal, use heating element, blower with sensor control, portable, lightweight and safe design. Secara teknikalnya, projek ni dia punya bahan-bahan dalam tu semua boleh berfungsi dengan baik dan dia pun mudah dibawa, ready. Design dia selamat lah untuk digunakan. Yang kedua, economic, build with affordable, easy to find material, save time and reduce shoes replacement cost, price range affordable for student and general user. Produk ni, barang dia dibuat dengan komponen yang mudah dicari. Jadinya komponen dia ni bukannya yang kita perlu tempah menunggu lama untuk sampai. Semuanya dah ready stock lah. Lepas tu kita dapat jimatkan kos bagi pengguna daripada asyik beli kasut baru je kalau rosak. Yang ketiga, operational, easy to use, plug and play, compact size, suitable for home, dorm or travel, meets real user need, fast drying, hygiene, convenience. Ni maksudnya kalau kita takkan nak pakai kasut yang berbau, basah kan. Jadinya dari segi operasi dia dapat menghilangkan bau kan.
Okay, so next is target audience. Pada kita target untuk apartment residents. Kenapa kita target apartment residents? Sebab dekat apartment ruangan terhad untuk dry dekat outdoor. So kita boleh gunakan untuk apartment, boleh keringkan dalam rumah lah. Okay, so second is student and college. As we know, students very busy with class, assignment, and student ni menggunakan kasut setiap hari. So dengan produk yang kita buat ni boleh memudahkan urusan student lah. Yang ketiga adalah athlete, gym, goals and activity individual. That means untuk athlete gym, ia menggunakan kasut setiap hari dan ia dapat memudahkan urusan athlete lah untuk menggunakan kasut di mana-mana sahaja, sebab produk kita ni portable, boleh menggunakan di mana-mana sahaja.
For this product, for the shoe is the research also examine common shoe drying methods used by respondents as well as common problems such as long drying time, unpleasant odors and bacteria. For the review of user acceptance for our product is to support the planning of a more practical, efficient and product design. It helped to gain a better understanding for the respondents and all person that use our product. More specifically, respondents provide feedback about expected features such as fast drying, product safety, UV sterilization light, portability, price of product, and battery life for this device. For the lastly, the result of the questionnaire provide initial insight into the level of acceptance by users of a portable smart shoe dryer of our product and support the planning the product. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next I will explain about our information that we get from our customer. From the first gun, as you can see, most of respondents are from male, and the average of yes. How helpful do you think UV sterilization is shoes hygiene? And most of our respondents, mereka jawab sangat membantu lah untuk apa tu benda UV ni, sebab from our past question, apa yang mereka minta adalah untuk apa tu cegah bakteria yang tumbuh lah. So mereka sangat membantu jika kami meletakkan UV sterilization ni untuk mencegah pertumbuhan bakteria. Okay. Next, adakah temperature 50% ni adalah safety untuk diorang kena kasut? Kalau korang boleh tengok dekat poster tu, mostly apa yang template tu, mostly kasut maybe memang tak sampai 60% lah mostly. Sebab memang penjagaan yang bagus, maksimum kalau boleh 50% lah, itu yang terbaik. Okay. Most of our respondents say yes to we add our timer feature to untuk improve our product. So apa tu kita dapat dengan adanya timer ni, kita boleh protect dan juga apa tu protect kasut dan juga produk kita from overcharge or overheat. So our product lifetime will be more apa tu jangka panjang lah, produk kita akan lebih tahan. So produk dan juga kasut tu dapat bertahan dengan lebih lama lah. Okay, apa feature yang paling bagus untuk diletakkan dan apa feature yang mereka yang akan mesti gunakan lah adalah yang kita boleh tengok temperature control, supaya penjagaan kasut akan menjadi lebih baik. Dan macam mana penjagaan bateri ini apa tu adalah sangat penting untuk apa tu jangka masa bateri ini sangat penting untuk produk kami tahan lebih lama. supaya tak mudah rosak lah bateri. Untuk masa pengeringan kasut, mostly diorang letakkan antara 10 ke 20 minit, masa yang tidak terlalu lama dan tidak terlalu cepat. Mostly 10 ke 20 minit ni adalah average masa untuk suatu kasut tu kering lah.
Distribute the hot air more effectively compared to externally drying system. And this is our final 3D look. We add the UV strip to eliminate the bacteria and to make make the shoes clean. And this is our exploded view drawing of the project. We are using a display Arduino Nano for the main control of our product. Charging port, DH11 sensor, blower fan to blow the hot air, PTC heater mini, battery we are using 2700 mAh. So the user can use 5 times with the full charge. This is the system operation workflow. So the user must start the button to on the project, and then the user must select the temperature. Okay. Then the user must select the time. So when the user finish to set up both of that setting, so it will automatically start after 2 seconds. So this is the process. So this is the hot air. To blow up and this is the UV light. So after finish the process, product will beep twice to notify the customer that the process is done. For the conclusion, the portable smart shoes dryer effectively speed up the drying process using control heat and optimize the flow, ensuring shoes stay clean, safe and dry. Its compact and portable design provides users with convenience on the